Muhammad Umar Farooq Biological Video. Please make sure to subscribe, like and share. Ask the question for answer and comment about the artwork. You can also answer question to each other for solving the problem in the comment below. So today we will discuss about the epigenetics, and we will also understand about the CPG island, which that is related to the promoter region of the gene expressing or silencing of the gene. For example, the harmful gene which that is expressed to produce cancer or some disease. So that is the promoter suppression due to the CPG island are present. For methylation and acylation we will discuss. So just we will recap again. The epigenetic is the study of heritable changes in gene expression, active versus inactive genes. So the active gene and inactive gene which that is study we will discuss. Inactive gene, that gene which that is produced after the transcription to produce a cancer or some disease, so that don't involve changes to the underlying DNA sequence, a change in phenotypes without a change in genotype. It means the gene will be not changed, but methylation will be occur, which in turn affects how cell repair gene, how cell reads gene. So how gene read by the methylation, where methylation is more, so the gene will be suppressed. So here is the human which that is affected by the different factors. For example, environment, UV radiation, and temperature, and related to the food, which that is basically alter the gene formation. And on more and more age, environment, lifestyle, disease state, which that is express the epigenetics, and this epigenetic can be harmful or benefit. So let's begin to understand about the epigenetics and related to the CPG islands promoter region. So we should understand first the concept about the general formation of the DNA. Where is the DNA? So here is the basically embryonic cell, for example a tissue which contain eukaryotes, that is, and multicellular. Eu mean true and karyon mean nucleus, and nucleus contain chromosome 46 in the human in the form of pair, 23 pair, and chromosome which that is coiling, and this coiling is by the histone protein wrapping with the basically DNA is wrapping around the histone protein 8 subunit, and this histone protein also contain tail. And also one more thing is important is the linker protein which that bind the histone protein to condensation formation. So here is the histone tail are present, so the DNA is wrapping around the histone protein. So the epigenetic factor methylation or acetylation will be occur, and methylation which used for the suppression of the gene, while the acetylation is used for the expression of the gene, or silencing or expressing the gene mechanism. So I hope you make sense about the general structure of the chromosome and DNA. So the 8 subunit of histone protein are present. So this DNA is a different region contain a methylation, and that means the methyl group is attached with the cytosine or guanine, which that we will discuss basically. So here is the DNA. DNA is the double-stranded helical structure, which that is the macromolecule, and their thread-like structure contain a helical structure, and this helical structure is contain a nitrogenous bases. For example, cytosine attach only guanine, and guanine with cytosine, and thymine is only attached with the adenine. It means the 4 base pair or 4 bases are present in the DNA, while the phosphate group are present, and sugar is the backbone of the DNA. So the triplet of the nitrogenous bases is known as the codon, and this codon is used for the 1 amino acid expression during the translation from the transcription. So here is a person which that contains skin cell, tissue, muscle cell, livers, etc. That is in the form of tissue, and this is the eukaryote. Eukaryote means true nucleus, and nucleus contain our DNA. So this DNA is Basically, nucleus contains DNA and DNA in the form of 4 nitrogenous bases and helical structure. We will discuss. Here is the adenine attached with the thymine and cytosine with the guanine. And here is the CpG island. So the CpG island is used for the promoter region of genome. CpG island in the vertebrate is just are present more in the promoter region, while it is not present in the transcriptional RNA. So that means the functional RNA, basically structural RNA, is not involved in this CpG. Why? Because it is methylated, and that's methylation if are present in that region which that is expressed. So it means the silencing of the gene. So the silencing of the gene is the possibility to become a disease or cancer. So here is the CpG island we will discuss just first here. So the glucose molecule is the antiparallel. It means the 3' to 5' carbon containing phosphate group which that is attached. So here is the antiparallel 5' to 3', and phosphodiester bond are present is obviously, and this phosphodiester bond is with the oxygen, that is basically phosphodiester bond, and this phosphodiester bond is attached with the ribose sugar, and that is the backbone of the DNA. While the hydrogen bonding in the base pair are present, for example, the cytosine with guanine is the 3 hydrogen bonding. So that means the pairing of the base, nitrogenous base. So the 1% only in mammalian genome are present this CpG island. CpG island mean the methylation are present in the CpG, cytosine to phosphate and guanine. So here we will discuss about the deamination of cytosine. So what is happen about that? Deamination means the cytosine will be deamine and water will be added to become a uracil, and these uracils contain a negligible or not present nitrogenous base like a cytosine. So that uracil are present in the RNA, while the uracil is basically conversion, because it is during the replication we will discuss to understand, and the all concept we will understand here. So here is the uracil. So this uracil is due to the deamination of the cytosine, and that is the uracil DNA glycosylase enzyme which that is very slow, and that's repair the DNA repair basically, and this means the DNA will be repaired again. Why? Because it is used and it is become a normal functionality of the DNA. So let's begin to understand about the deamination, and we will also discuss about the DNA methyltransferase enzyme to give the methyl group to the basically to the uracil, to basically uracil to here is the cytosine to basically cytosine, that is the 5-methyl cytosine is are simply known as the cytosine, which that is give the methyl group by the DNA methyltransferase enzyme, and this DNA methyltransferase enzyme which give the methyl group to the cytosine, and that cytosine basically this is the uracil. Basically here is the cytosine which that is giving the methyl group, and that is known as the methylated cytosine. So this methylated cytosine is basically deamination will be occur, and after the deamination to add the water and deamination to become a thymine. So the cytosine, methylated cytosine will be converted into the thymine by the deamination. So the methyl group are present while the 5-methyl uracil are present. So in the region of thymine, that is basically thymine will be formed from the cytosine. So it means the mismatch of the pair will be occur in the DNA. So that means thymine DNA glycosylase or TDG, which that is repair the DNA after these changes. So these changes is here, and that is the thymine are present, which that is released by the thymine DNA glycosylase, which that is which that is basically remove this thymine, but it is very slow. It means it is never possible to become a whole DNA correction, but it is slow, while here is the cytosine will be again attached by this activity. So in vertebrates, guanine to cytosine sequence is lower, so is known as CG suppression. It means why lower? Why lower? Because thymine DNA glycosylase is the very low function, so very slow. So that means it is the CGP is the basically is less as compared to the invertebrates. So why? Because we should need to repair the gene. So the less amount of the CpG island is the thymine DNA glycosylase is work very less. So the invertebrates. So here is the TG sequence is conversion. So after this conversion it will be repair. So that means the disease will be suppressed till the time of complete conversion. But some changes can be occur to mismatch or some slow function of the thymine DNA glycosylase to produce the disease. So let's begin to understand the CpG islands to understand. So the at least 200 base pair contain GC percentage is more than 50%. It means the 200 base pairs contain GC is more than 50%. It means it is difficult to repair that gene. So that means 70% human genome high in CpG in promoter region. So that means promoter region is very important, which that promote the transcription to translation to express that gene. So the beside the expectation ratio is the more than 60%. So the CpG island tend to be unmethylated by proofreading during DNA replication. So that is very important for basically tend to be unmethylated by proofreading. So that means unmethylation will be occur. So this unmethylation is give the promotion to the promoter region to express that gene. So the repair. So here is the parent gene, parent DNA during the replication in the nucleus. So the parent strand methylated is here. So it means the 6 methyl group are attached. After the replication, thus 2 daughter DNA will be produced for cell division. So the example, for example, here is the methylation will be removed. Why methylation will be removed? Because the uracil will be formed, and the uracil is again basically that is uracil is methylation and amination to become again cytosine, and that is the basically daughter strand unmethylated. So what is that means about the daughter strand unmethylated? Example is that cancer gene promoter region activation. Why? Because it is less methylation. So it will be methylation again by the methyl group addition. So this is the DNA methyl transferase enzyme used to use and become a same like parent. So that means here is the DNA which that is again look like a parent. Why this happening? Because we need to suppression that promoter region to express that gene which cause a cancerous or disease containing gene promoter region which that is expressed. So it will be not expressed because methylation. But the major reason is about that this again methylation is difficult. So in the time wise or aging, during the aging, that disease can occur due to the less methylation of the promoter region of the CpG island. So the CpG island is more in the promoter region. What is the meaning of that? That means the less CpG island are present in the other genome. So that means it is easy to understand the thymine DNA glycosylase is less work. So the delay in methylation after replication allow a temporary distinction between the parent DNA daughter parent DNA, and daughter DNA strands, which aids in DNA proofreading. So after the proofreading to become again methylation. So the spontaneous deamination tend to turn methylated cytosine into thymine. So the cytosine convert into the thymine, which that is mismatch over time. So the mismatch repair is slow and can miss errors before methylation of new strand. So that is mismatch repair is very slow. So it means it can cause disease. So it is basically our view about that. Here is the DNA. So the DNA is contain a regulatory gene. So the regulatory gene contain a CpG island. It means the CpG containing promoter region, which that is untranslated. So untranslated during the methylation on CpG in promoter to stop the transcription of genes. So the transcription of gene will be stopped due to the methylation of the CpG, while during the replication it will be mismatch, and due to the mismatch about that, mismatch is due to the deamination to turn methylated cytosine into thymine, which that we had already discussed in the previous diagram. And so here is the open reading frame, which that is started codon to stop codon, which that means it is expressed when the methylation will be not sufficient. So that means the untranslated region will become a translated region due to the methylation will be demethylation and acylation will be occur. So that oncogene will be produced, or some disease will be produced, which that is due to the or environmental modification. So that means the regulatory gene will be expressed on the basis of environment. For example, hot environment will be create the more expression to survive in the hot environment to produce that protein, which that is useful for us and maintain homeostasis. So thanks for watching. I hope you make sense about that video about epigenetics and CpG island promotion.